Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most blessings, salawat and salam always say to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness era to the lightness era. Today, I want to tell you about my final project with my friends, which is reading list app. So, before we start, don't forget to make a Flutter project. So you can use Flutter project in here, show and run command, and you can click a Flutter new project. After that, you can make a file that you wanna make application. So the first thing you must know about my application. My application have a reading controller .dart. So this is import from Flutter material .dart for icon, and then reading item .dart for show the item, and then this is a filter of search, so you can filter of all news or oldest news, and then you can load from local storage, so you can input the image of item in your application. After that, you can add your reading text, so you wanna text it for favorite or for horror movie or romance and others, and then the status also, it's read or unread, and then it is a sort of filter. There is newest read, and then oldest from A to Z, from Z to A, and then it is add item which it's required for string, for title, author, notes and text, and also is you have to you can input image URL, and then the date time for what each time we input it, and then you can input for ID and author, notes, created at text, image URL. After that, the application will show the book is at by title, and then it is a toggle of status where the book is updated, and then it is show that book is deleted. Okay, directly for settings controller, it is not in my app because there is no show for settings dot underscore controller. It can look in main.dart, which just reading control.dart, but storage but settings there is no. Okay, we can also fin in command fin or control fin in Windows settings. So there is no result for settings, that settings control it's not worthless. Up to you, just optional, you want to bring a setting control in your application or no. It's not show it. It can show a error for the app. So it is pubspec.yaml. It's important also because without pubspec.yaml your application maybe it can run from asset image. So this is you can also look for assets and image. Also I have a image this like that. Okay, we directly to run also Flutter run, and then you can choose the device you want to use. I think I use Chrome. We wait for application. Okay, it is from localhost ya. Nah, like that. It is a splash view, and then it is a home view. There is last reading, text, all books, statistic, and then you can add book. So you can use the cover of the book. Like I want to choose it is the mock-up, and then you can use for title of the book. I use mock-up mock-up add tendance. And then the penulis is optional. You can use me or others, and the notes is optional also. Okay, next, and then you can use category of the book. You can use which category you want, but but now I don't have category yet. And then you can also save the book. After that you can use explore feature. So there is God Life, The End of Tibet, Impossible Way, and others. You can also make it by your own code, and then you can use already read. So this is not reading I have finished. So you can edit also your book. I think I want to already read. I want to click already read, and then I save the edit. So you can use manage tasks. You can use attack. I want to use favorite add. You can back, and then you can give the tag of your book with favorite and save for the edit. So you can use also when the book is not already read, and then save like usually. Like this, it's like duplicate. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.